Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's pick a couple cards. Choose faith over fear. High vibe attractions. Attract high vibrations to yourself. Run around the house excited about life. Doing so puts the law of attraction in play. When you want something good to happen to you, moping around the house and complaining will not get you closer. Get excited about something. Pretend to be excited about something. This raises your vibration, makes you feel good inside, and naturally attracts other high vibe energies. If this were your last day alive, what would you have done differently? You still have the chance to do things differently. All right, which item has our quotes today? Let's pick this item. You are being called to spend more time in nature, as all the ancient secrets live there. Mother Earth is constantly whispering, spend time admiring her creations, and you will be rewarded with insights and grace. I am open to surrendering to the creations that are wanting to be birthed through me. May I be of service in a way that delights my mind, body, and soul. Please use me. Please lead me. Please show me the way. Happiness is not found in pursuing the things we want. It is the joy we find in appreciating what we have in our lives and sharing it with others. The world needs what you have. As we rise up and share our song, we make it easier for the next person to do the same. We are here to grow as souls. Earth is one big playground for the soul to learn. All the answers you seek are waiting for you in your heart. Get quiet and spend more time listening to your heart and get to know it, and it will guide you. The most attractive thing you can put on each day is your smile. Your smile will attract more positive energy from others around you. Be the reason someone smiles today. If your inner well isn't full, you will find yourself craving things from the outside world to fill it. What brings you back to life? What nourishes you? And the last one today. Spend more time doing things just because you love to do them, just because they bring you joy and light you up. If you follow what lights you up, you will light up the world without even trying. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.